In this video, we will see how to create a virtual environment, then install the uh, our requirements like pytorch with the cuda version. So this one is the command in which we create the virtual environment. PyTorch version 3.11 -m virtual environment name. Okay, and then to activate the environment, so we have a command, this command virtual environment name / scripts activate. Then this is the command to install the PyTorch with the CUDA version 12.1. So how to select the this command? So here we have to select the PyTorch with the version, select your OS and the package. I'm using the pip command over here with the Python and the CUDA version. So how to check the CUDA version? So this is the command to check the CUDA version. So here in my system the CUDA version is 12.3. Then we install the, after the installation of the PyTorch, then we install the Jupyter notebook. So this one is the command to install the Jupyter notebook.